Hi guys, in this video I'll show you a complete process of how you can use Hedra AI. I will show you all the guides. So step one is just go to the Google and search your Hedra AI and you will see this website, basically hedra.com. So open this website, Hedra Studio, and you will be redirected to this page. So once you're at this page, so you can do three things with this tool. One is creating videos, second is creating images, and the third one is editing or creating the audio. So on the left side, as you can see, the first section is videos. So in this section, prompt your character with emotion and gestures, which is basically in this section you can just enter the details like what do you want to do with this Hedra, or the video prompt section, like what do you want to create. So let's say I want to create a person holding a bag full of balloons. So make sure to enter the details or fill in the, make sure the proper prompt, or you can just click on inspire me and it will show you something creative which you can check as a sample. Otherwise you can just click on the audio script. In this section you can just upload the audio, your audio, like you have a specific character voice which you want to upload, and in this section just start frame, which will basically upload an image. So if you want your character to speak that script, so make sure to upload your image in this section, upload the audio, and just add the details like what do you want the mood to be, like what is the mood, like what is the purpose of making that video. Make sure to add the details and send it, and it will create a video, which is I think pretty amazing. And inside the image section you can just create an image, as you can see, like describe an image and describe the, like what is the aspect ratio, select the aspect ratio, and there are different tools like Flux and Imagine 4, Flux Dev, Flux 1.1 Pro. Some of them are in premium features, so if you have a premium you can use those, but I think the best one that works is Flux 1.1 Pro, so you can use that feature. And this is basically the resolution, just click on send. Otherwise, if you have a reference image, like do you want to add a reference image, let's say I want to add this kind of image, so just click on open and it will be in this section. Now you can describe your image, and this is the reference style that you're looking for, and it will create an image with Flux model for you. Now the third one is the audio. If you have, as you can see, like there are two tools supported by them. One is 11 Labs, 11 multilingual, and the second one is Minimax. So just choose the like tool whatever you want to create, and after that you can choose all the voices that are available into this section, whatever fits for you. Choose the language and just write down the script, like what do you want him to speak, and it will create the audio for you, which I think is pretty good. Now the last option is real-time avatar. If you want to create an avatar like this person speaking your chat, or like this person or any other person, so you can just create it. Otherwise you can just customize it, add your own picture and just add the script, and it will create an avatar for you and basically speak whatever you want him to speak. Now at last, if we talk about the credits, so just click on upgrade plans. So the first one is light and 1000 credits per month, and I think it costs you like 6 to 8 credits per second. So if you really want to create, this plan is good for you, like $30 per month and 4000 credits. So this is the plan which you can buy if you are working on some kind of marketing stuff, or you want to create it for your YouTube videos or stuff, whatever you want to do. So that is all about Hedra AI, how you can use it, and what is the pricing, what are the benefits of it.